So get your new launch pad, and all of a sudden it's messing up. You know, cable won't work. It's all connected and everything, but it just won't work. What do you do? How do you fix it? Well, first of all, you need to take this out, obviously. Flip this over, grab a knife or some other sharp object, and don't be afraid to just just in there and peel it off. This will expose the screws that we'll need to take off later. It's a bit messy, but I've done this before, so it's going to be even pretty messy for me. And what you need to do is just take out one of your screwdrivers, try a whole bunch of them. One of them is going to work eventually. This one doesn't work, surprisingly. And just grab one and just whip them out. And next step, you will need the knife that you just used to open this up. First, you're going to need to find the arrow over here, right over here. Don't be afraid, just chuck your knife down there, just pop it up. Now there is two, you might need to do it twice. Once you've done that, just pop it up. There you go. Go to the launch pad, open up. Now just slide it out. And now you can do this to change the pattern on your launch pad. Just take that out, spray paint it, what do you want to do. Yeah, you can change the colour of this if you want. I wouldn't recommend it, it will mess up the colours of your launch pad performance. So just chuck those over to the side. What we'll be focusing on is this right here. Now the reason why your launch pad isn't focusing good, doing good, is because there's one port here. If you just stick it in there, it's bending around and everything. Way to fix that, just take that out, grab something, and just bend it in. I've done this before, it works 100% of the time. And now, since it's bent in like that, stick the cable back in. Fits perfectly, and it's now tighter. Will not come loose. Now it does leave a bit of a dent in it, that looks even better. Now the reason why this might be loose, when you stick it in the bag, bend the cables, mess around for a bit, and that's why. Now to put it back together, all you need to do is grab this and just find out where the port is. So So come with this Ableton Live 9, and code is just back here right there. Alright, see you guys pro launchpaders tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.